What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan. Today is January the 17th of January, and look what I have. I have another unboxing to do. And this right here is from a friend that I know from TikTok. So, let's see what it is. I know this from a friend from TikTok. It says it's from Macy's warehouse manager. But, let's see what it is, though. Let's see what it is. Let's open it up. What is it in this box? Because y'all know I'm going on a cruise soon, right? Oh. Okay. Wow. It said Macy favorite scents. And it's a Luxe sampler it's a Luxe sampler set for him. It's some cologne. Because one thing, I was telling people that, since I don't go out and stuff, that I thought Axe body wash was, I thought Axe body spray was cologne. I didn't know. So I thought, I got cologne on. So, put on the wrist, you know what I mean? So I thought I was good. But apparently that wasn't cologne. That's some dang on body spray. So, you know what I had to do? I had to let people know that I didn't know. And I'm okay. They was on me though. They was on me. But this right here from the disaster specialist, aka Ayasha. So thank you very much. She's also a gold member of my channel, and I definitely appreciate it. And so I will mention her and tag her on her so you can see who I'm talking about. And also, the next thing I have is called Gucci Guilty. It's like, I guess I need to open it up, huh? It's a 15 milliliter ounces, milliliters. It's I'm kind of curious on this thing. It's 2 of them in here. It's I don't know, it's like in Spanish or something. It's on here. Look at that. It's the black one, El Dor. And then the other one is the clear one. The clear one. You can't even see it. It's so clear you can't even see it on the label, right? Look at that. Gucci Guilty. But I definitely appreciate it because I have no idea about cologne. But I guess I'm about to learn now, right? And it's all thanks to y'all. So we got that one. Let's go to the other one. Oh, I showed you the thing, but I didn't open it up and tell you what kind it was in here. So what's in here is Ralph Lauren's, ARMANI, Vet Saint Laurent, and Carolina Herrera. It's Bed Board Cobalt, myself a Swaits. But, you know, we got to show you what it is, you know what I mean? What it is, though. Let's see what it is. I didn't bring my other things so I can cut it open. I didn't go here. I'm always telling people, get one of these. You can open up all kinds of stuff without cutting yourself. Look at it, so easy. So easy. So, the first one, this right here. This is sample. This is the sample one. This is the bed boy. Look at the bed boy. Carolina Herrera. And this one right here. This next one. I don't want to bust it, you know what I mean? This is the Eau de Parfait. This is the Eau de Parfait. Let me see which one is it. This is the YVES Saint Laurent. This is the YVES Saint Laurent. I probably said that wrong. But I don't wear cologne, so I don't know nothing about that. Let me show you the bottle though. It's a nice little bottle. It's a nice little bottle, you see that? I see myself in it more than I see you. Right here. There we go. There you go. And then the next one is Ralph Club. Yeah, it's going down. The Ralph Clubs. I'm gonna ask her how she get these different kinds, like the sampler, so I can do more better when it comes to cologne. And this one right here is the ARMANI code. ARMANI code. It's going down, right? You got some cologne. So we're gonna smell them and then gonna dab around. So now, if I walk around, people are gonna be able to smell me because apparently I was thinking that they were smelling me the other time and it was just body spray. But it is. I definitely had it wrong. I apologize for that. But I want to say, I do want to say thank you to the disaster specialist on TikTok, aka Ayasha, on YouTube. She's my gold members, and also I want you to know she's a gold member where I'm working with her on her fitness journey, and we're gonna be working it out. We got a plan. We holding each other accountable, and we're gonna be great for each other. You know what I mean? So I'm definitely excited to work on you on your fitness goal. Set it up. We're gonna do stuff popping off, and we're gonna get you right. We're gonna get you right. So make sure y'all go show some love. She don't have a lot of stuff on her content right now, but at least go over there and follow her, subscribe to her. So when she do start putting stuff on there, she'll be ahead of the curve. So and we gonna go from there. So remember, with that being said, whatever you do stuff at your own pace, your own moderation. Make sure you stretch. Make sure you drink water. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And your boy, I always like to say it, but before I say that, I'm about to go to the cruise. And I will give y'all an update on the cruise. You know how it goes. So with that being said, fitness is key. Peace and hair grease. Ooh-wee. Yeah.